Hello students, good morning everyone. Today I'm here to teach you your geography chapter first class, ninth part, second class ninth, and chapter 1 part 2. Your social science teacher is here to teach you about your India size, location and its features, India's position at world level. All these things we'll study about today in this video, in this my video lecture. So let us start. Location, as yesterday we have discussed with the help of latitudinal and longitudinal values, right, extent of India on world level. I told you it up with the help of this one globe, latitude, longitude. This is latitude, its longitude, and here somewhere here India is located, and its latitudinal value, longitudinal value. So that I have told you, and I'll proceed further that India's mainland extent, like you may take it from here. I told you yesterday it is approximately 68.7 degree 68.7 degree west of India but east of the world, and up to here 97 degree something up to Arunachal Pradesh. If we approximately calculate this length, it is 30 degree mainland extent. It is approximately 30 degree extent, and there is one important line here. If you see, here is approximately 82 degree latitude is there, and here it is 84 degree latitude, right? And here is one line. If you see on your map, in between this one dot line crossing Nepal, then UP, and in this way it goes to the south of India. So that line is very, very important for India. That is called IST, Indian Standard Time. Now you will ask, what is this? This question should be in your mind. What is this Indian Standard Time line? Mean to say, if we see the latitudinal main extent of India is 30 degree. If anyone is here, right? Because time is decided with the revolution of earth around the evolution of earth around the sun, and when this revolves in this way, right, earth revolves around the sun. So at that time when it is here on this degree 68 point degree, and then it comes there, it takes approximately 120 minutes. It is counted as when this revolves from 1 degree latitude to another degree, right? 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree, 5 degree, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So accordingly, time difference is there approximately 4 minutes. एक लैटिट्यूडनल डिग्री से दूसरी डिग्री तक जब ये मूवमेंट होती है, तो दैट टाइम 4 मिनट टाइम डिफरेंस इज देयर, एंड वी हैव हियर अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30 डिग्रीज. 4 into 30 degree is equal to 120 minutes. It means 2 hours approximately, nearby 2 hours time is difference from here to here, right? From, we can say, easternmost part of the this one Gujarat and easternmost part of Arunachal Pradesh. If we take it, it's India's westernmost, but on world map it is the eastern also. So please do take care, don't get confused, that's why I'm telling again and again. And it will take lag of time of 2 hours. Got it? Suppose you have started your journey from here, you want to reach there, right? And if you want to reach there, if it will take approximately, suppose 10 hours. You have started from here 1 o'clock, within 10 hours you will go there, right? But as we know that there is a lag of approximately 2 hours time, we will get confused here, right? Here it is somewhat backward. When here it is 1 o'clock, here it would be 11 o'clock. No? Here it would be 11 o'clock. Or maybe when here it is 1 o'clock, it may be here 3 o'clock. Got it? Approximately 1 p.m. or a.m. we have started. Accordingly, we will reach here within 10 hours, mean to say 10 o'clock. But we reach there 3 p.m. or a.m. plus minus, accordingly you can do. So it will create confusion. Moreover, the people who are living here, everywhere there would be difference of time. To bring uniformity, to avoid these confusions, Indian Standard Timeline has been fixed to show that whatsoever time is there in Mirzapur, in UP, there is a place, Mirzapur in UP, whatsoever time is there here, that would be considered whole of the east and whole of the west of India. Right? Suppose here it is, that's why that is called, you see in your mobile phones, other apps, there is a one term IST time. No? IST time, Indian Standard Time, IST time, GST time, Global GST time, Standard Time. Right? So that's why it is Indian Standard Time. John, that line is at 82 degree and half, 82 degree and half, and it is approximately, it is 82 and it is 84. Accordingly, I have drawn this line, and you have to do take care according to the scale on your map, and from your book it is given, this map is given there, right? You may take care of this map, page number 3 page number, there is this map that shows this Indian Standard Timeline, that is here, right? 82 degree Indian Standard Timeline, and this is 82, it is 84 degree, accordingly this line is drawn. So why this time of standardization is there? To avoid confusion, to bring uniformity, so that no one and how many time zones we have to prepare according to state-wise, to avoid this. This is overall uniformity, to bring similarity simultaneously, to avoid the confusions also according to the stage-wise. Now let us talk about the size of India. Size of India mean to say this is the latitudinal value, this is the latitudinal value, this is the longitudinal value, this is the longitudinal value, and overall what is the size of India that we have taken yesterday, latitudinal value and longitudinal value, and total its land covered 3.28 million square kilometer, 3.28 million square kilometer, and it approximately covers the 2.4% area of the world geographical area at world level. Here I would like to mention surprising fact that India covers the 2.4% of world geographical area, but population wise India is the second largest country of the world population wise, and area wise it is 7th largest country. And if you compare these conditions, you would be surprised to know that what is the status of the population in India And I would like to say that whatsoever problems we are facing, unemployment, poverty, environmental degradation, resource exploitation, that is root cause is population. We haven't controlled our population according to area. In your next chapters you will study about population density also per square kilometer people. Here area wise we have area of 2.4%, but in share of the population we have 16% approximately share in the population. And area wise India is the 7th largest country in the world. Asian continent, right, situated in the Asian continent and 7th largest country. Its land boundary, got it, land boundary from here to that is covered by land, here, up to this point. Okay, because it is peninsula India. It is peninsula India. That area is covered by water. That is called peninsula. What we call it? Peninsula. Area covered by water from 3 sides. Here water, here water, here water. It is peninsula India. Right? When area covered by 4 sides by water. Suppose we have here Andaman Nicobar Islands, right? Here we have Andaman Nicobar Islands, and these islands are covered by water from the 4 sides. These areas are islands, and that covered by 3 sides from water. 3 sides with water, that is peninsula, right? You have to be very much careful every time peninsula India. I'll talk on this topic for different representations according to your geography chapters, and every time you have to take care. I'm talking about this India, okay, peninsula India, this India that is covered by water from 3 sides, from run of Kutch to here, this one Bay of Bengal, right? उड़ीसा के ऊपर तक का जो है that we will take West Bengal, up to West Bengal, that we will take in peninsula India, right? So total land boundary, that is 15,200 kilometer. 15,200 kilometer we have our land boundary. And coastline, once again that area, peninsula area, that is the coastal plains, right? We have coastal, mean to say near the boundary, near the sea. Here it is sea, peninsula boundary is approximately 7,516 kilometer. Then India's very important young fold mountains are there, that we call northern Himalaya, right? हम next chapter में पढ़ेंगे northern Himalayas के बारे में. It is approximately up to the 20 degree north latitude. Yesterday I told you it is 37, right? It is 37, and approximately from here, right? Approximately from here, where this Jammu Kashmir and this ends, it is approximately 20 degree, right? So accordingly, and our young fold mountains are located here, na? No, this one. Northern Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, this southern northern part of Punjab also, that is approximately 30 degree, okay, 30 degree, 22 degree north, 22 degree north our Himalayan mountains are located. Okay students, so here you have to cram this data with the help of, if you visualize map accordingly, you will learn easily. Otherwise you have to cram the things, but here you will see latitudinal value, longitudinal value. It is given on page number 7, page number 3 on your book. First map and second map. First is page number 1 only. Please see this one, page number 1, and next one is page number 3. Both the maps you have to do today. Take loose map, okay, world map, locate it accordingly that given in page number 1, situation, location of India, and highlight that with latitudinal value and longitudinal value. Then you have to take one blank map of India. Then there you have to write this latitudinal value, north, and longitudinal value, and draw this Indian Standard Time line. Along with this, you highlight the neighboring countries of India, and go through this data. What is peninsula, what is island, right? Then what is the total area? All these are the questions important for your 1 mark. 1 mark of true, false, objective type, MCQs, any way question can be asked from here, and it is not only for your class 9th. You have to memorize this thing for whole of the further studies. It is very basic knowledge of your geographical system, geographical situation, location of India. And I believe that all of you are enjoying this class. Please, when you are reading, listening, first listen, keep your book in front of you, then visualize the things. Okay? First you listen video, watch video accordingly. Whatsoever things I am highlighting here, you try to recognize. In second attempt, you have to keep open your book and try to match the things, and you will learn automatically. No need to give any stress, no extra effort is needed. It is my experience says that students learn it very easily and very enjoyable. Okay, they are listening, okay, locating. This is latitudinal value 37 degrees something. Okay, it is there. It is there, north. It is this. It is this. It is this. Work is done. That's all. Hopefully you will do it. I believe you have to do it. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care.